Hello, Halloween lovers. Want to transform your home into a spooky pirate's cove this Halloween? From buried treasure to skeleton crews, pirate-themed decor brings mystery, adventure, and a whole lot of fun. In this video, we'll share swashbuckling pirate Halloween decor ideas to make your space look haunted and hunted for treasure. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What props help set the pirate mood? Use barrels, crates, old bottles, fake coins, and plastic bones. Scatter them across tables or doorsteps. Add treasure maps, ropes, and compasses for that nautical explorer vibe. Prop it like a pirate, like this if you love themed decor. What pirate-themed yard decor can I use? Place a skeleton crew digging for treasure or a pirate hanging from a tree. Use fishing net, broken oars, and beware of pirate signs. Add glowing red eyes for nighttime effect. Bringing pirates to the lawn? Like this for epic yard vibes. What pirate decor works indoors? Hang torn sails, fake torches, and weathered maps. Display skulls and lanterns, stack crates with bones, and place parrots or rats on shelves. A rum bottle or two adds to the pirate lounge feel. Indoors, going full pirate, like if you're building a lair. What pirate decor works for kids? Set up a kid-friendly treasure dig with sand and toy coins. Add a map for them to follow or make cardboard swords and hats. Keep it spooky but silly for trick-or-treaters. Family-friendly frights? Like this if kids love pirates too. How do I start a pirate Halloween theme? Pick a color scheme. Think black, gold, deep red, and aged wood. Add pirate flags, lanterns, and netting. Focus on turning your porch, party room, or yard into a shipwrecked scene or treasure cave. Sailing into spooky seas? Tap like to kick things off. How do I create a treasure chest display? Use a wooden chest or crate and fill it with gold coins, faux gems, string lights, and skulls. Let the lid stay open so the treasure spills out. It makes a great photo op or table centerpiece. Love treasure scenes? Tap like if this idea struck gold. How do I start a pirate Halloween theme? Pick a color scheme. Think black, gold, deep red, and aged wood. Add pirate flags, lanterns, and netting. Focus on turning your porch, party room, or yard into a shipwrecked scene or treasure cave. Sailing into spooky seas? Tap like to kick things off. How do I add motion or sound? Use motion-activated pirate props that talk or move. Add wave or seagull soundtracks. Even a swinging lantern or ship creaking audio turns your space into a haunted harbor. Ready for full immersion? Like this if sound is your vibe. How can I dress up a table pirate style? Use burlap or red striped runners, gold utensils, candle holders, and mini treasure chests. Scatter coins, bones, or sand across the table. Label drinks with poison or elixir signs for fun. Planning a feast? Like this if your table's setting sail. Can I use pirate decor on the porch? Yes. Hang a tattered pirate flag, place a treasure chest or cannon, and add spooky lighting. Wrap railings with rope and line stairs with lanterns or skulls for a full ship deck vibe. Porch makeover in progress? Tap like if this inspired you. Any final touches to complete the look? Add lanterns, fog machines, fake chains, and broken signs like Davy Jones' locker. Use old wood textures, fishnet, and nautical touches to make the space feel aged and eerie. Finish it strong, like this if the vibe's coming together. Can I combine pirates with skeletons? Definitely. Dress skeletons in pirate hats, eye patches, and striped shirts. Pose them playing cards, steering a ship wheel, or guarding gold. It's spooky, classic, and hilarious. Skeleton crew approved? Like this if you're using bones. Pirate Halloween decor brings the perfect blend of spooky, adventurous, and creative fun. Whether you go full pirate ship or just scatter some buried treasure, these ideas will make your Halloween unforgettable. Loved these ideas? Like and subscribe for more creative Halloween themes.